welcome to a brand new vlog from Theme Park Thrills UK. We are here today at the island like no other, Thorpe Park, and we've just arrived. It's a really hot sunny day today, so it's really nice weather, perfect for all the water rides as well. I know Rumba Rapids isn't open today unfortunately, but yeah, we're going to see what we can get on and have a fun day. This is our third trip to Thorpe Park this season, but I kept forgetting to vlog the other two times, so this is our first vlog of the season for Thorpe Park. So yeah, we'll see you when we get inside the park.
Woohoo! Nice one.
So I'm going to try Hyperia's Citrus Courage, which is Sprite Vanilla and Fanta Orange. Let's see what it's like. Unavailable? Oh. It's not available.
Try it on that one.
First ride of the day is Flying Fish on a 10-minute queue. We've just come off Flying Fish, that was a great ride.
Yeah, I love Flying Fish.
Yeah, we sat in the middle this time. No hands, not holding on the whole time, so make it a bit more relaxing, and it was really fun.
Yeah, it's great.
I loved it. So yeah, where to now?
Maybe Walking Dead, I feel like. Walking Dead.
Yeah. Next ride of the day is going to be the Walking Dead the ride, which is also on a 5-minute queue. Really good queue times today. Everything's really short. Yeah, can't wait to go on. It was an amazing ride, so we just viewed our photos and now we are coming out into the mega store, and they have some brand new merchandise here for The Walking Dead.
Cool.
We've got the new Oktoberfest barrel mugs. Aside from Oktoberfest, there's not a huge amount of new stuff. But yeah, they've got the new range with the bears, pins, shirts. Brand new limited Barbie Krispy Kreme donuts. Got the Barbie pink donut, the Barbie berries and cream, and the Barbie sweet 60 fish. They all look quite nice. Time for a ride on a Thorpe Park classic, Mr. Monkey's Banana Boat, the only remaining Thorpe Park Rangers ride. There's Mr. Monkey. Zero minutes. Yeah, second time I've ever been on this. First time we did it was in Fright Nights when it was dark, so it was a kind of different experience, so never done it in the daylight before. Next up, a ride on Quantum, the flying carpet, one of our favourites. We've just had the shortest ride on Quantum ever. We went like round one way once, round the other way once, that's it, finished.
It was like less than a minute, right?
Yeah, so we've had really long cycles on that before, and that was just like, I was like, it can't be over already. Very, very short cycle. Yeah, we were the only ones on it, so, and now we've just come out, it says closed now, so I think they probably just wanted to get us off.
Maybe it broke.
Fearless Valley, the stage that had the Legend of Hyperia Flight to Fearless show has now gone. It's been removed because the show is not going on any longer. It's a shame, I like that show. Hopefully it comes back next year. So yeah, Fearless Valley is looking a lot more open now. Definitely needs something more added to it, theming wise. I think the area will be developed over time and it will look really good. We just had lunch in the Oktoberfest ski cabin thing and it was very warm in there. And now we're going on to depth charge. Nice views of the park from up here.
I was in Mexico with a Venezuelan dancer.
It's really good. We're now heading round to Amity and we're going to walk through the sunken gardens area, which we've never been to before. So we're going to do a walkthrough for you. So first you want to come to the entrance of Stealth as if you're coming in, and then you want to turn left.
And the rain is falling and the wind is blowing cold across the moor. I hear the voice of my darling.
And here it is.
The girl I loved and lost a year ago.
This is the Princess Diana memorial. It says Diana, Princess of Wales, dedicated in fond memory by the Thorpe Park team, September 1997. This is an old Loggers Leap boat. It's lovely round here. I never knew this was here. I'd heard people talking about it, but I had no idea how you get to it. We found out recently from a video Thorpe Park put out. You've even got a bench there if you want to sit down. Oh! Nice, you walk around and there are little benches if you'd like to sit down. Had no idea this was here. I can hear some ducks or some kind of bird. And then you come back round again and there's the exit, so yeah. And there's some new merchandise in here that I'm going to show you. So we've got all these new bracelets and then there's earrings as well, one wing for each ear, and then they come in all the different colour schemes, like the pink, the blue, so that's really cool. So we have just found our flavours with the Hyperia Freestyle Cup. We tried a few of the Beetlejuice ones, which were okay.
Yeah.
They were Fanta, but
Fanta, fizzy, interesting flavours.
yeah, and then in the end we decided to go with Fanta, still, no bubbles, peach, fruit punch flavour, and a little bit of lemon. And it's quite nice.
Yeah, very
It's
refreshing.
not fizzy, which I prefer not fizzy.
Yeah.
Definitely the fizzy. Yeah, it's good. You have
Straw tucked into there, keeps it nice and neat.
unlimited refills for the whole day you're here at the park. So we are back at the car now, finally starting to dry off from tidal wave. We had a really good day. It was
Good fun, nice weather.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody seemed to be having a great time running around and cooling off. It was good fun.
we went to the shop and got some stuff, so I got this backpack and a lanyard and this magnet, because there were only a few of these left, so I thought they're probably going to sell out soon, and I like those. So and we got a few pins in the island shop as well. Yeah, so we had a really good day, and yeah, can't wait to be back. And you can see Hyperia in the background there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed watching it, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.